Okay guys, I am here to show you a new Goodnotes notebook I added to my $1 section, and I'm going to show you on my Mac. I usually use my Goodnotes notebooks on my iPad, but I am going to show you how to do it just on my Mac so I can screen record. So the first thing you want to do is download it from the website after you purchase. And then you can share either the PDF or the Goodnotes file to your Goodnotes app. Either one will work. They have hyperlinks, so you can use them in an app other than Goodnotes. You could use it in Notability and a couple other ones, as long as your app takes hyperlinked PDFs. So I'm just going to show you how these work. They're super simple. There's the cover, here's the index page, here is the templates index page, and then the rest is just the dividers. So to use the hyperlinks, remember you have to make sure you have this edit button here, like this. Then you can click on the hyperlinks. Now this and this tab go to the same place. These two go to the same place, these two. You can label these, so you could put subject 1, January, whatever you want to do, and then you can also write that here. And then you can use whatever templates you want in those sections by going to the templates page here. These are hyperlinked as well. You click the template and then you copy it. Up here I'm going to go to copy page. I do have one lined paper page in between each of the dividers just to give you a start. But if you want to add that, then you just go here. Then you go to add page and then you can paste. So you just always want to keep these templates here, these 4, they're at the end. You want to keep these blank because these are what you're going to copy each time. So I could go here, copy page, and then if say here in this section, I wanted to paste that in. Now I have this one and this one in between. And you can make these as long as you want, and then just keep everything organized here. You can always start fresh. You can always upload another one of these, so you can have like multiple of these notebooks in your Goodnotes and use them for different things. You can also check out my bundle if you like to switch up your notebooks. Let me get that pulled up. So if you go to my website, speckonaspeck.com, you can find my Goodnotes notebooks. The $1 Goodnotes notebooks are in my Goodnotes shop. And you can also find the bundle just right over here. I have it pinned. The bundle has 72 notebooks plus all future $1 notebooks that I add to it. So you can take a look through all of the individual notebooks if you want in the shop, Goodnotes shop, $1 Goodnotes notebooks. So you could go through and pick out any of the $1 notebooks you want. I do not have all of them from the bundle up yet. I think I have 58 up on my website. And there is now, I need to change this. There's now 72 notebooks in the bundle because they've updated it. And all the previous people who bought the bundle, they will get all of the updates. So let me know if you have any questions. And then be sure too, this Goodnotes tab, this is all my free stuff. I have free Goodnotes notebooks, templates, stickers, monthly Goodnotes freebies. So be sure to check all of that out. I have hundreds, if not maybe thousands of free items on Speck on a Speck. But this notebook that I was showing you really quick is right here. And it is Goodnotes notebook number 57, I believe. So if you want this notebook in particular, it's number 57. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.